In this session, we'll be learning about how to do a programming in Logosoft Comfort. Actually, Logosoft Comfort is a simulation software where we can simulate the PLC programs. So today we'll be dealing with all the logic gates, how to do program in this Logosoft. So when you're doing this program, there are different types. One is functional block diagram, ladder diagram, UDF diagram. Actually, ladder diagram is the easiest method for programming. So as you're starting with logic gates, we'll start with the NOT gate. So here you can see one make contact is there. This is your make contact. This is your make contact, and this is your break contact. So when you're writing program in PLC, you'll be using only these two switches, that is your make contact and your break contact. Make contact means normally open switch, break contact means normally closed switch. So before dealing with this logic gates, just I will show how these contacts works. So this is one switch, normally open switch, and this one is your normally closed switch, and this represents your output relay coil. Just I am connecting this normally open switch with this rail. It is called as VCC rail, VCC supply rail, and I am contacting it with your output. So when you are simulating, downside you can see. So here itself you can see what is the difference between normally open switch and normally closed switch. In the case of normally open switch, the supply is coming up to this point. It is not reaching to your output. You can see your bulb is off condition. But in the case of normally closed switch, it is already closed and the supply is coming up to your output, and you can see the bulb is glowing. So this is a basic concept. That means for normally open switch, it is open, normally closed switch, it is closed, and it will allow the supply to pass through it. When you're turning on, when you're energizing, what will happen? So I am making this I1 in on condition. So when it is energized, you can see it is on and it is passing the supply to its output. When I am owning I2, that is your break contact or normally closed switch, what will happen? It is getting open and it is not reaching your supply is not reaching your output. So you can, once again we can generalize that when you are giving supply, then when you are giving input, the I1 is closed. Normally open switch will get closed and normally closed switch will get open. So our conclusion is, when you are giving energy, normally open switch is getting closed and normally closed switch is getting open. So with this concept only we are going to write the remaining programs. So just we will start with our NOT gate. So already we know NOT gate means when you are giving one high input, the output will be low. Low input means output will be high. Just inversion. Whatever we are giving, that inversion should happen in the NOT gate. So it is a single input gate. As it is a single input gate, I am using only one switch and it is just inverse condition. So I am using a normally closed switch and one output. This is an example. This is your NOT gate, and just I will simulate and see. You can see when you are giving 0, NOT gate condition is when you are giving 0, output is high. When you are giving 1, output is 0. So it is satisfying our condition for NOT gate. Next we will go for AND gate. So already we know AND gate means it is a series connection of two switches. Y equal to A, B. That is the condition. Y equal to A, B. When you are giving input 0, 0, output will be 0, 0, 1, output will be 0, 1, 0, output will be 0, 1, 1, output will be 1. That means for only 1, 1 condition your output is 1. That is your AND gate. Here we are taking two input AND gate. When both the inputs are high only you will be getting output. That is your AND gate. Otherwise two switches connected in series. When you are connecting two switches in series, when we are closing both the switches only we will get output. That is the condition for AND gate. So here we will just simulate and see. So this is an AND gate. When you are giving 0, 0 condition, 0 into 0, output is 0. 0, 1, I2 I am making high, again output is 0. Again 1, 0, I1 1 and I2 0, output is again 0. And 1, 1 condition, you can see your bulb is glowing and here output is in red color. That means it is passing the supply. So only for 1, 1 condition you are getting one output. That is your AND gate. Series connection of two normally open switches. So next we will try for OR gate. So we know OR gate means actually it is a parallel connection of two switches. Two normally open switches connected in parallel. That is your OR gate. So here I am connecting two input OR gate. Two normally open switches I am connecting in parallel. You can see I1, I2 it is connected in parallel. OR gate condition is 0, 0 means output is 0, 0, 1 means 1, 1, 0 means 1, 1, 1 also it will be 1. Just will simulate and see. You can see here 0, 0 condition, output is 0. 0, 1 means as it is connected in parallel, through this path you will be getting output. That is 0, 1 condition, output is high. What happens? 1, 0, 1, 0 means again through this path you are getting output. So your bulb is glowing. 1, 0 also output is high. And next 1, 1 condition. So it is a choice. Through both path you will be getting output. You can see a bulb is glowing. 1, 1 condition, output is high.